what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be going over the guided transform feature inside Adobe Lightroom. And in this specific example, we're going to be shifting the perspectives of buildings from a low angle shot. And we're going to take a look at just how powerful this is. So let's jump on the computer and let's begin. Welcome to Adobe Lightroom. In this particular example, we have a low angle shot pointing upwards towards a car and some buildings in the background. You'll notice that the building's edges are a little crooked. This is due to the low angle shot pointing upwards towards straight lines. We're going to discover an easy way to shift the perspective of the buildings behind us. You can use this to fix images or for a dramatic effect. So first we're going to scroll down to our right hand panels and go to the Transform tab. You'll notice that there's a lot of different transform options within this panel. In this case, we're going to be using the guided transformation tool. Lightroom is going to ask you to select where straight lines occur in your image. So for example 1, we're going to take a straight edge that we find in our image. Basically what we're doing is we're going to select a point that's on a straight path and then select another point. We're then going to do it again to a different part of the image because we're trying to make this building's perspective a little more towering. You'll see that Lightroom automatically transformed the perspective of that straight edge that we selected. So in this image, it's quite a subtle difference, but it can make a dramatic effect on your image. Now let's see just how powerful this tool can be. As you can see here, I took a photo in downtown Los Angeles from the ground pointing up. And we're going to go through the same process and see just how much we can push this. And let's see what it did to this. Awesome. Lightroom reads the pixels of the image and takes the information that you've given it and completely transforms the image. Now all you have to do is crop in to make the photo make sense. And an important note is it doesn't work for everything, and you can actually notice a little bit of distortion, but this is just an example of how powerful this feature can be. Take a look at the before and after of this. I wouldn't say I use it often, but it is a very helpful feature when you want to make little tweaks, or maybe even large tweaks. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, or want to learn anything from me, just drop it below in the comments and I'd be happy to respond to you. Thanks.